Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to install an ad blocker on both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that and drop a thumbs up at the end if you like the video. Leave me a comment down below on what you thought about the video and some ideas on upcoming videos for the future. And also remember to hit that bell notification icon if you want to be notified about any uploads. And let's get started on this video here. So today we're going to be showing you how to install an ad blocker, and I will first go through Google Chrome. So we're going to open up Chrome here, and we will exit off the Flash player. And to start, you're going to want to go to these three dots here. You're going to want to click on that, and then go to More Tools, and then go to Extensions. And then you're going to be greeted with this page here, and these are all the extensions that you have already installed. And if you want to install a new one, you just go up here to the top left, click on that, and then go to Open Chrome Web Store right here at the bottom. And then you're going to be prompted with the Chrome Web Store page here, and this you have all kinds of different ad or extensions that you can add onto Chrome. So to add an ad blocker, you're just going to come up here to the search bar and search up Adblock Plus. And then you're going to want to click on this one right here. This is the one I personally use. And then you're going to just want to click on Add to Chrome right here. And then Chrome is going to prompt you with this, and then it's just going to do like permissions and stuff. So you're going to want to click on Add Extension there. And there it goes. It has been added to Chrome. And then you're going to go to and it's going to take you to their web page here, and you can make a donation if you want to. I'm not being sponsored by Adblock, so you have no affiliation to leave a donation. I'm just going to X off that, and then I'm going to come up here and click on this little puzzle piece here, and click on Adblock. And then you're going to have these options here. So on individual websites, it may ask you to turn your ad blocker off, and all you have to do is come up and click on the symbol here and turn off the ad blocker on this web page, and then click on refresh. And to turn it back on, you're going to come up here again and then turn it back on, and then you will need to refresh again. And it does have a few settings here that you can click on this little settings tab, and then you can whitelist certain web pages, and you can block tracking, and you can block social media icons tracking as well. You can set your language, whitelisted websites. You can turn off blocking on these websites specifically without having to come up and turn it off individually. And you can have it show the number of ads that has been blocked, and a few other options here. And there is some built-in filter lists there on what ads it will block. And there's also a help icon there. So that is pretty much it for Google Chrome. So I can also walk you through Microsoft Edge as well. So I'm just going to open up Edge here. And this is not my default browser, so that is going to pop up, but that won't be the case on yours. And all you're going to want to do is come up here to these three dots, just like Chrome, and then go to Extensions. And then these are going to be where all your extensions are. And then all you have to do is click on Get Extensions from Microsoft Edge right here. And then it's going to take you to the Microsoft Store. And then you can search in Adblock. Adblock Plus is not available on Microsoft Edge, so you have to use Adblock. If this is the one you want to use, there are obviously many options, but I personally use Adblock. And then all you have to do is click on Get, and then again Add Extension, just like Chrome. And it's going to install it, and it is done. and you're going to be prompted again with this honor system here. And then to change the settings, you can also, just like Chrome, you can click on the icon up here and you have all these options here, and settings is right there. Most of the same settings. And they also have a premium, which you can like customize the text and stuff, and you can see the photos and not the ads and like random stuff that doesn't come with the um, free version. You can also sync your settings through Chrome and Edge here, and then you have a little submit feedback icon down there. And if you want to get Adblock Pro, then you just click on Get It Now here, and then upgrade to Premium right there. And it looks like it is $10 a year. Not too bad if you don't want to see all those ads on certain web pages. But you don't have to get Adblock Premium if you don't want to. And if you don't need these options, then I don't see the point in really getting Adblock Premium. And they also, it looks like they do have a VPN as well. If you want to sign up for early access, just put your email in there and then you can sign up for early access. It looks like they're getting ready to introduce Adblock VPN, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. It is going to slow down your internet a little bit, but not too much. Usually, this is just going to create a virtual private network, and it's going to mask your IP address to a different location if you do some different sort of web browsing. Say that inconspicuously there. And that is going to make it so that they can't easily track back to your location. But that is how you install an ad blocker on Edge and also Google Chrome. And that is all I have for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please also do that. That would help me out a lot. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you next time. Peace out.